Where it's cold and yeah, these lights have got brighter, have you noticed? And the beach is just there, and you can see the beach as well because they lit it up. Yeah. Where it's got silly question. It's got bright. Where it's cold, and I've been walking for a bit, and I've had a refresh up. I feel a bit better. Despite a little bit of a backache, but I know I'm going to relax on a nice cosy warm train on the way home, because on the way home to London it's going to be really warm on the trains. I'm moaning it's cold now, and then later I'm going to moan it's freaking hot. But yeah, I might get those double seat trains actually, not the single seat train. I'll see what my mood gives me. But we're here still in Ryde. We're still walking. Hate to think how many miles we've done today. I'm sure it's exceedingly a lot. But we'll soon find out. Yeah, we're just going to take a trip into Ryde. I think the hovercraft's retired, as in there ain't no running tonight. If there is, I'll get a video. If not, never mind. Do you know what? I saw a shooting star tonight, which is nice. Bright as anything it was. Apparently you see a shooting star every 10 minutes. Okay, if you keep looking at the same spot, it's 10 minutes. Oh yeah, by the way, this lake here, this lake is called Swan Lake. This lake here. But I don't see no swans. Probably all gone to bed. Have a look around Ryde for the last time today. Sorry about the wonky camera. So you should look around Ryde for the last time today. Make the most of what's open. I'm sure a supermarket will be open now. They always are. Yeah, and then we will come back down Union Street, and then we were. Oh, do you know what I smell? Seaweed. I didn't buy any fish. I know my cats like fish, but I didn't buy any fish because they're stinky on the way home. I didn't buy any donuts, you know. I normally buy donuts on the Isle of Wight, but that place that they sell the donuts that I like, that I love, closed for winter, it says. Despite it's autumn, they just say that, closed for winter. It's funny, 2 seasons they always miss out. Spring and autumn. Autumn always gets a miss. I think spring does get a mention because it's Easter time. And summer does get a mention. So does winter. But autumn, very neglected. Yeah, we're still looking here on the seafront. It gets a bit more noisier as we get further along. I might get a few photos of the buses. I like the buses. I like all the buses. I like my transport, let's put it that way. It's nice to know what they've done with the trains here. They've got the old style district line. Because when I sat on it, it just brings back some memories. Getting the old district line. It's nice to have those fond memories. It's nice that the Isle of Wight's got some new trains done. And do you know what? It was central heated. It was warm on the train. It wasn't like overpowering warm. It was like comfortable warm. Okie dokie. We're going to have a look in Ryde. Oh, here's some music. Oh, some fitness. Oh, it's a fitness place. Down there. Anyway, let's get to Ryde. Oh, we're in Ryde, I'm saying get to the town, as I meant. Oh, it's planned perfectly. I planned it out for the day. I said I'd get to Ryde near the town. Not at the town. Oh, near the town at 8 o'clock. And it's 3 minutes past 8. So me working out all out has turned out really good. They've got a little playground near the beach, it's so cool. I was like a piratey bumper car ride. That's so cool. On the beach as well. Rides. The kids on the beach, that's sick. Beach is right here, we're here at Ryde now. We're coming up to the, let's go this way. No, this way? This way. I can choose. Anyway, here's the main road now, it's getting a bit busy now. We're coming up to Ryde. We've got toilets here, and they are shut, I presume. I don't want to chance them at night. Not at night. Welcome to Ryde at night. Ryde at night. Years ago, rides, there used to be kiddie rides here I used to do when I was younger. They're no longer here no more, so everything's changed. Oh, has it? Because it used to be here, this bit we're coming up to now. If it is still rides, I like it's still here. I meant there'd be different rides, it won't be the same as they were a few years ago, but I wonder if they're the same. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. I remember being at Ice Ring here. Let's have a look and see if they've got their rides. I'm sure it's come summertime. It's epic. That's probably one of the most seaside resorts. It goes quiet after summer. Some stay open, depending on the tourism, really, isn't it? They should open up for the Christmas weekend. Yeah, they've got rides. There's a boat ride here. You can't see nothing, it's dark. They've got a boat ride, looks of it. Some sort of go-kart thing. Right, see if we can look inside. Got a go-kart thing yet. Go-kart thing. Ain't got much. That's what they used to. Amusements. As in money amusements. Oh, that's what's changed. That's what's taken over. I remember there'd be a little metal train that I used to go on. I'm going to go to the town now. There's a few dry riders out tonight. There's a few bikes. With a nice car. That's really cool actually, got lights underneath it. That's really cool. So there's a few on the island. Here's the Super Bowl just over there. You play 10 pin bowling in there. Here we are. Here's all the hotels. Ryde Castle Hotel. It looks like a castle, apparently. My mum and dad stayed up in the Ryde Royal Hotel here in Ryde, and that's when they had the honeymoon. Yeah, I'm on the back. I'll show you. Oh, they used to pay £45 a week back in their day, and then it went to £45 a day. I don't know what it is now. Hate to think, but I'm sure it'll be a lot more. This is quite new. I don't remember this been here. Oh yes, it's all new. Ride's improving. Well, it's open anyway. Just it's actually open. You can actually go in there. Oh my gosh, it's actually open. At least something is open. I've got a pub in there. You need to go in there. I'm going to go to the town anyway, just to check around for the last bit. You've got the hovercrafts over there. Oh, I didn't come across by hovercraft this time. I came across by a fast cat, which is a catamaran. Trying to think for a minute. Tongue tied. Here we're in the town now. We're just entering the town now. Yeah, I like these cycle paths they have. I don't know how far they go though. I don't know how far it goes to Cows, East Cows. Yeah, I feel a bit further up.